Hello, everybody. Good Monday for everyone, and hope you're going to have a good week. Today, I want to talk to you about something very intriguing. And this cello came in for repairs, big long crack along the post side of the instrument. But as I opened it up, I discovered that there's a tremendous amount of mold in it, and you can probably see some of the dark shade stuff in there. And that is mold. How they get there, I don't know. The problem is that the mold eats away the protein-based glue, and with that I mean the high glue or any other glue that's based on animal products. So it becomes a very interesting way of resolving this because number one, we have to repair. Number two, part of the mitigation has to be to get rid of this mold. What that means is that every repair you do, the mold will infiltrate the protein and break it down, and then all the parts that you glue become unstable and they break off. My task of the week for this particular instrument is to be able to get a very potent solvent. And this is a disinfectant and detergent that's used at hospitals for obvious reasons, and this will help mitigate the problem with the mold that's in here. It's becoming a very interesting project, and I will post an update on that. But as of now, there is no protein-based or animal product glue that functions on wood that can be used for this particular project, as it will actually disintegrate, eat away on the glue. So the options that we have are non-protein based glues, which would be the last resort to use. But if that's the last resort, the instrument has to come back together, and so be it. But for now, we're going to try to mitigate the mold problem and try to get rid of it and treat it as thoroughly as possible and remove it in the safest way possible. Have a good week. Bye.